Okay, guys, now we're going to do lesson 1.1, and just want to make sure everybody should be on this main website, Teach Engineering. If you don't have this link, please make sure you let somebody know. And we're going to do the conveyor unloader. Click on this, and in this we have we're going to do the first. We're going to work on the M block. As you here's this introduction video. Most of you may or may not have seen that. If you are very beginning to M block, I highly advise you just go in there, make sure we download it. Just a brief explanation, not a whole lot, just to get you guys started. But what we are doing is we are now doing our first lesson, and we are going to go to can you make it through the maze with using only 3 types of blocks. And in this, you'll see that there's a challenge code, and with it, if you click on it, it should send you to Make Block. So if you, for whatever reason, if you're not part of Make Block, please make sure that you go ahead and sign up. You should, because that's the only way you really can save a lot of your files. If not, I would pause the video, make sure you sign up, and then come back and do this. Regardless, once you get this, you're gonna go down to source code and click on it. And at this time, it'll pop up. Like so, and you see Mr. Pan is all the way down here at the bottom right. Well, once we click him once, he'll be back where he needs to be. Please make sure that you do not change these 2 lines. These are there for on purpose, because every time you click the green flag, he needs to start in the same position. And what you're supposed to do is you are only supposed to use 3 different codes. And the first code is moving. The second code is 1 rotation, so we're going to go clockwise. Technically, you could go counterclockwise, but we only want to use one or the other, not both. And then we also want to go down here in control and grab this wait 1 second. That's what will come clear here in a second. So let me get you guys started. So what we're going to do is we're only going to use these 3. Now we can use them as many times as possible. So for instance, I'm going to leave these over here, and every time I want to use one, I'm going to duplicate it. And what that means, I'm going to put my mouse over top of it. I'm going to see how it says duplicate, and then drag it over. And I'll do that with all of them. Now, in this one, we want to be very clear that any time that we do a movement or a rotation, that we have a wait at 1 second. And the reason behind that is we want to actually see what's going on. So I'm going to hit and in this case, I also would like to put 1 at the very beginning, just so that I know that it actually starts where I want it to start. And when I hit play, rotate, and then wait a second, and then move. And obviously 10 steps is not that much. But let's do something real quick. I'm going to get you guys started. First, I'm going to do this. Now, watch what will happen. I'm going to make this rotate 90 degrees, and I'm going to say 50 because I want us to actually see it. Now watch what happens. See how he's angled. As soon as I click it, he'll go back. And now we can see this continuing on. What I advise everybody to do, in my opinion, is that you just do multiple steps. And then I'm going to wait 1 second. And I still might make this 50. Now watch when I restart it. Start back at the top, rotate, and I'll keep on going. So now it actually looks like it's moving. You don't necessarily have to do it like this, but it does make it easier to predict how far he needs to go. So the idea is that he's going to go down, go over to the right, he's going to go up, go over to the right, go down, and then go over to the right, and that is the finish. And see how many times you do it. The key is that you need to make sure that to complete this, you need to see him in each of these corners here, and you don't want to see him hitting the red box. If it's touching like it is right now, that's okay. But let's say, let's just give it an example. If he looks like this, that's not right. He's actually in the box. So we don't want that. All right. Give a shot. Make sure that every single thing you do has a wait 1 second so we see what's happening and continue on from there. Good luck.